Hello everyone. Feral hogs, an invasive species with no natural competitors, have flourished in Oklahoma, now with an estimated 1.6 million individuals spread across the state. There is a particularly high concentration in the southern and southeastern regions of the state. These areas include McCurtain County, Choctaw County, and Push-Aha County, where natural conditions are favorable for wild pigs to live and breed due to the abundance of water and vegetation. Wild pigs in Oklahoma cause significant damage to the economy, with total costs reaching millions of dollars annually. Specifically, in 2021, reports estimate the damage caused by wild pigs to the agricultural industry will reach about $1.5 million USD. They cause serious damage to agriculture not only by completely destroying crops such as corn, wheat, and peanuts, but also by damaging agricultural infrastructure, including fences and systems. The high infestation frequency and rapid growth rate of feral hogs has made their control a significant challenge for wildlife managers and farmers in Oklahoma. To deal with this threat, cage traps have been widely deployed as an effective solution. In this article, we will delve into the details of the process by which these wild boars are trapped, from planning to execution, to understand how farmers respond to this invasive pest. Cage traps are often designed spaciously, with a size large enough to accommodate many individuals at the same time, to improve capturability. A common size for cage traps is 8 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 4 feet high. The trap door is designed to automatically Cage traps are often designed spaciously, with a size large enough to accommodate many individuals at the same time, to improve capturability. A common size for cage traps is 8 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 4 feet high. The trap door is designed to automatically close and lock once the wild boar enters, ensuring that they cannot escape. In Oklahoma, some farms have deployed zinc steel cage traps with automatic door mechanisms. They have recorded a successful capture rate of up to 80 in traps. In addition, the cost per trap is about $500 to $700 USD, but it saves significantly on the cost of repairing damage caused by wild boars, which can amount to thousands of dollars per year. The cost of using cage traps to control feral swine in Oklahoma includes many different aspects, from the initial cost of purchase and installation to the cost of ongoing maintenance and upkeep. A cage trap can vary greatly depending on the size, material, and features of the trap. A standard cage trap typically costs between $500 and $2,000. The cost of installing cage traps depends on the terrain and location of the trap. Installation may require specialized equipment or expert assistance, which can increase costs by $100 to $300. Annual cage maintenance is not too high, but cannot be ignored. This includes inspecting and repairing damaged parts, replacing spare parts, and ensuring the trap operates effectively. This cost is usually about $50 to $150 USD per year, depending on frequency of use and local weather conditions. Additionally, if technology such as cameras or sensors are used to monitor traps, maintenance costs may increase further due to the need to maintain electronics. One farm in southern Oklahoma invested in a cage trap system at an initial cost of about $1,500 per trap. Despite the high initial cost, the farm has significantly reduced crop damage caused by wild boars, saving an estimated $4,000 per year from reduced damage. Choosing the right location to set the trap is a decisive factor, because it needs to be consistent with movement behavior in areas where wild boars frequently operate. Analyzing data from surveillance cameras or direct observation will help determine where they congregate. Locations near water sources or on paths commonly used by wild boars are ideal places to set traps. Lure plays an equally important role in attracting wild boars into the trap. Food used as bait often includes wild boar favorites such as corn, peanuts, and even fruit that has begun to rot. The arrangement of bait in the trap needs to be done skillfully, so that the wild boar must move deep into the cage to reach the bait. This arrangement ensures that once the wild boar is mostly inside the cage, the trap door will effectively close, trapping the prey inside. To ensure that wild boars are not kept in cage traps for too long, trap checks should be performed regularly. Daily checks not only help minimize animal suffering, but also prevent possible damage. In addition, the use of remote surveillance cameras will effectively support monitoring the situation of the trap, ensuring the safety and effectiveness of the capture process. In Oklahoma, feral hog culling must be carried out according to strict regulations of the wildlife management and environmental protection agencies. To ensure safety and efficiency in this process, the use of specialized treatment facilities is necessary, helping to prevent risks and negative impacts on the community and surrounding environment. After catching wild boars, handling measures such as safe destruction are strictly implemented. Dispose of by burying pig carcasses in designated locations, ensuring deep burial to prevent attention from predators. In addition, the burning of wild boar carcasses is also carried out according to strict environmental regulations to avoid air pollution and protect the surrounding habitat. What do you think about Oklahoma farmers' use of cage traps and their methods of disposing of wild boar carcasses? Share your opinion in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to seeing you again in upcoming videos.